So I got this, the new Dewalt DCD1007. I actually snapped the old I have a 999 and the axle just snapped on it, so I'm not too impressed. But I got the bigger one, but when I got it, it had a good bit of slop. So there was a lot of play, chuck, kind of torque setting end of the gearbox. So I mean, there's still a little bit, but I managed to tighten it up. It's actually really straightforward. So there's down in the chuck, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a Torx down here, and it's reverse thread, so clockwise to loosen it. So I just used an impactor, put it in, find the thread, and then like it's loose now, but like I didn't have to hit it that hard with the impactor, but just remember to go clockwise. Take it out. That's your little retaining bolt, and then it just comes off. There's no more thread. It's not like the old chucks where you'd have a thread, a reverse thread as well. This just sits on like a keyed drive. Looks a bit like a vacuum pump on the end of a camshaft or something like that. So really easy to change it. And then there's 3 screws or 3 kind of fasteners here. They were actually loose. Once I tightened them up, they were loose by a good bit. Once I tightened them up, it was perfect. So I'm not sure if this drill was kind of maybe rebuilt or something, but anyways, it's working perfect now. And then just to put it back, make sure you get it keyed back in, if I can find it, and then the thread, kind of put it back on the impactor, and then it's anti-clockwise, just go slow to get it in. Loosen off the chuck a bit. I'll just hit it once, there's no need to go crazy. And this tightened up all the slack. I had slack as well here. This thing was kind of all over the place. This collar, adjustment collar for the torque settings and the impactor, and it tightened everything up. So you can see the chuck pops in and out real easy. So there you go. If you ever get the same problem, it's actually really easy. It's much easier than the old drills. All right.